What's up, Mr. Sue? Unit 4 video.
So, Mr. Sue.
Alright, let's go. So what I'm going to be doing here is expanding using Pascal's triangle and binomial expansion. So what we have here is 3x plus 2y to the third. So what we do is, well, Pascal's triangle is right here. So since it's to the third power, the row 3 becomes this. So we have 1, 3, 3, 1. So what we do is it's 1 times 3x to the third, because 3x comes from up here and it comes down here. So what we do is 1 times 3 equals 3, and then 3x squared plus 3x squared times 2y to the first power plus 3 times 3x to the first times 2y squared plus 1 times 3x to the 0 times 2y to the third. So what we do is we do 3, 0, 2, 1, and then we do the same 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Alright, so we have 1 times 27x to the third, because 1 stays down here, and then 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27, and then we have x to the third because it carries from here, times 1, because anything to the 0 power equals 1. So, and then we have plus 3 times 9x squared times 2y, and then it becomes 9x squared because 3 times 3 equals 9, so it becomes down here, and the x squared stays because it becomes inside. And then after we have plus 3 times 3x times 4y squared, because, well, 3 stays right here, and then 3x to the first, it's just 3x. So, and then 4y squared, because 2 times 2 equals 4, so then 4y squared, and then the squared becomes inside. And then we have plus 1 times 1 times 8y to the third. So what we do is the 1 stays here, and then inside it just becomes 1, because anything to the 0 power equals 1, so everything just becomes 1. And then times 8y to the third, because 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, and then the third comes inside here and becomes y to the third. And then so the final answer, it would become 27x to the third plus 54x squared y plus 36xy squared plus 8y to the third. We get that because 27x to the third right here, and then we just combine all the like terms and it becomes this answer. Alright, so 36x squared y plus 18x squared y becomes 54x squared y, because we combined these right here, so it became that. So the next one, we would find the same like terms, which would be 12xy squared plus 24xy squared, which would become 36xy squared. We combine these right here, and then we just bring this one down because there's nothing else to combine it with. So the answer would be 27x to the third plus 54x squared y plus 36xy squared plus 8y to the third.